Hey, this is Passive Plays Pelton. Do you want to make $6,000 next month? How is that possible, you might ask? This is Chris McCauley. He's a good friend, he's a good-looking guy. He's been selling on Amazon for over 6 years and has become one of the forefront experts in Amazon selling. He has a book that is actually one of the best sellers when it comes to Amazon selling. And over the 6 years he's been doing Amazon, he's made millions of dollars selling on Amazon. And what he does is pretty simple. So he finds a product that sells really well on Amazon, then he goes and sources it, whether it be at eBay or other vendors for cheaper, and then sells it on Amazon, makes a profit there. So you might think, okay, that's great. Chris makes a lot of money selling on Amazon. How does that help us? He's bringing people in to help them create their own Amazon stores and make money using the exact same method that he's been doing it for years and years. And the best part is it's all done for you. But that's not what I'm really excited about, okay? I've done a lot of these done for you Amazon stores. Usually they say you pay $25,000 or something like that. Then you have to have another $10K for inventory. Then they'll set up the store for you. And I've done that a number of times and I've had mixed results on it. It's been okay. But Chris is doing it differently. So he's offering 1 month completely free on his end. His team will help you get your store set up. They'll choose all the right products for you. They'll give you all the vendor information that you need. They'll make sure your store is working, that you're bringing in the money. And all that you have to pay is just for the inventory that you're buying for that month. So he is selling this in 10K batches. So you can either do $10,000 worth of inventory, $20,000 worth of inventory, or $30,000. And that you might immediately be like, I don't have $10,000 sitting around. I mean, who does? But stay tuned because we have another option for you. But you connect with Chris, you put in your 10K, 20K, or 30K for inventory. And then if you look at Chris's past results, he makes between 20 or 25% per month based on the inventory that he buys. So if you put in 10K into inventory, that first month should bring in $12,000 or $12,500, somewhere in that range. You get that money from Amazon and then you can walk away. You can say, okay, I made $2,500. If you put in 30K, you make $6,000, then you just walk away and say, hey, thank you for my $6,000, Chris McCauley. You're a good guy. I appreciate it. So why is Chris doing it this way? Well, because he knows when you make your 3K, 4K, 6K, that first month that you get in, you'll want to continue. Very few people are going to make 20 to 25% in 1 month and then say, okay, I'm done. See you later. So if you want to continue after that first month, there's a one-time $6,000 fee per 10K bundle that you're setting up. So it's either going to be 6K for 10K, 12K, or 18K, depending if you're putting in 10, 20, or 30,000. But that's just a one-time fee, and then the store can continue running for as long as Amazon goes for. Each month, you'll be putting in the 10K, getting out the 12K, or putting in the 30K and getting out the 36K. And then going forward, he will take 20% of whatever profit you make. So if you make $2,000 profit, he'll take $400. And then there's no other fees forever. So at the end of a year, there's no more fees, no new fees. First month is completely free. Then if you want to continue, you can pay the one-time fee and continue on. Again, if you do not have 10K, that's the minimum for this. Stay tuned because there's another option. Stay tuned. But if you're wanting to get involved, 10K or 30K, there is a form that you just fill out, link down below. I've already filled out this form for 30K and I'm going to get started here pretty soon. But he'll set up a time with you, make sure all your questions are answered, and then you can get started. And I want to encourage every single person watching that you should at least consider, pray through it, talk with your spouse about at least doing the first free month, trying it out, see how it goes, and then you can decide if you want to move forward after that. Now, if you don't have 10K sitting around, honestly, who does? Who has $10,000 just sitting in their bank account? But there's another option. So Chris is planning on turning this into an NFT. So it's not even my NFT. Chris is planning on doing this. But these NFTs, they'll be less than $500. It'll be completely done for you. So this will be completely passive income. He's going to take a little bit more fees on the NFT. So those are aiming at about 7% per month returns. And if you're interested in getting started on that, again, I'll leave a link to this, but there's a wait list to just put in your name, put in your email address, and then we'll let you know when that NFT is ready to go. So 2 calls to action. First, if you have 10K, you're going to make the most money if you join the Amazon distribution. You fill out this form, Chris will get in touch with you. If you don't have 10K, join the wait list. And pretty soon you can get involved in the NFT. If you have any more questions about this, comment down below. We'll try to look through those. Also, watch this AMA that I did with Chris. It's hour long and I go through all the details of what he's doing. And also, if you're looking for more ways to make income, check out the 4-day trading challenge. You can learn the naked hedge strategy, make some money that way as well. Again, our purpose in making money as Christians is not just to buy things for ourselves. We as Christians, we don't ask when Lambo. We want to make money so that we can help other people. Makes you happier to give than to receive. That's all I have for you. The Lord bless you and keep you this week, and we will talk to you later. Thanks.